going on, guys? It's your boy Upstate Dabber, and let me tell you, this is probably like the 17th time that I've tried to make this intro. We are playing Bigfoot today, but this game does not want to cooperate. We're playing with my wife. I'm a mermaid, but you know her more as Gingy XO, and we're playing with Munchies, also known as Munchies TV. Uh, Honestly, we've literally recorded like 3 hours of
I'm
footage
in.
at this point, and it's been a failure. So let's hope that this one is the one that's gonna do it. So, all right, guys. So here we are, Munchies, Gingy, and Upstate. We're gonna hunt your favorite cryptid, Bigfoot. Boy, this has been a pain in the dick.
Do we still have our stuff?
No. Brand new start.
Motherfuckers.
Brand new start. Yeah, meat's for the traps.
Babe, I'm gonna leave the 9mm for you since I have the flare gun.
Don't forget to take the tablets outside.
Yeah, I keep forgetting.
I actually maybe forgot that. I probably missed that last.
They were looking for 3 people. Here's a trap. Guns in there.
Where's the gun? Oh.
There. And I only have 1 flare, and that's the only thing that makes him run.
Stop shooting your fucking gun, you idiot!
That wasn't me.
No, it's me. My trigger finger's itchier than chicken pox. I want to keep breaking out my axe and taking down trees.
Ah, shit. Okay, shit.
I found a blueprint.
Say
You pick
what?
it up?
It's for the hang glider launcher.
Shut up.
Oh, I remember being here. Jesus. That was like actually
I told you.
I'm just gonna keep running. If I don't look back, it didn't actually happen. You didn't want the wieners?
Dead body over here. That's a nice one.
Hey babe, what you doing later?
You're sick.
My wiener's not. Hey!
No.
There's a zip line right here.
Well, we're also... Babe, you're gonna die! Babe, you fucked up, babe. You're all by yourself.
The whole camp.
Oh, wait, over here. Yeah, see, over here, pictures, where I am. This is why my job is best. That's why I take pictures. Gotta be creative.
I'm not with you guys.
I know.
Oh no,
the
we
zip line.
went backwards. Sorry, I'm high as fuck. I don't know why y'all was
No.
following me.
I went that way first.
Hey guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button while I'm walking through these stupid ass trails. And if you hit the if you go down and you hit the comments, that helps your boy with the algorithm too. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Definitely. Yeah, he's up this way. Don't waste your bullets. He's close.
Oh, he is very close.
Yeah,
he
we
is
need
very
to
close.
get up there to him.
I don't hear the
because-
sounds anymore. Okay, never mind. Nope. Stop following me.
Homie, he's close. I'm just getting close to teamwork here.
Okay, but we still need to go this way. That's where I was
Yeah.
trying to go.
No, agreed. But I'm gonna go.
Then-
We should go this way together.
I heard
This game is
noises.
spooky.
I'm sorry.
No, this shit's spooky, bro. Fuck you. I get spooky.
Trigger babies.
Where are we
Guys, you're
going?
still that way. Trying
Dickhead.
Yeah. Wait, where?
not
Hey,
go through the water.
Dad. I know it's
Oh, I see what you're
That's
doing
not
now.
simple,
hard
man.
to feel like I'm a dad at all. Hello?
Hello. Turn it off.
It seems like you can hold unlimited flare guns at this point.
No.
Alright.
But I'm sick.
Chase that bitch. Fuck that guy.
But I've got more flare guns if needed. I'm reloading it right now.
Listen, I
It's
have
ready.
a gas can pulled out. As soon as he attacks us again, I'm gonna drop it next to him, and then y'all need to shoot it.
Okay. Just don't let him yoink you.
I'm gonna start
Such a
like
fun
placing
word.
these cameras all over the
No.
place.
I can turn it up so it picks up Spotify. But
Yo, this is a crazy like
Um,
place in the world. Like their campgrounds, everyone's just like got like random like 5.56 rounds floating around. and shit.
I did!
Alright.
if he would have shot the gas can, that would have been so much more damage.
I didn't even see it there.
I was reloading, and then I shot it, and then he ran.
Does anybody have 9mm ammo?
What, the one right in the middle? I mean, there's not a lot of dead ends on this one, really, to be honest.
Down. If you look at your map,
On the edge to break it down, and no one there to save you.
Well,
you're not carrying a baby for the second time.
he
I don't
might
wanna
be.
hear
You don't
shit.
know. Listen, he might be. You don't know his life like that.
No, but be addicted to heroin.
Babe, I swear to God, you are not comparing. I'm gonna fucking suffocate you in your sleep.
Be addicted to heroin, and
Alright,
then
this is just.
bye.
Oh, he's on a campground, babe.
Yeah, there's nothing up here either. A generator.
Or
You
no.
don't know what it's like.
Fucking nothing here. Like,
Okay,
actually.
well then I'm gonna go up. That's
And I'm like, am I...
Wait, yep, there we go. Signal flare. How do I get rid of it? Okay, I guess I'll be bait then.
Oh, I have an idea.
I thought that was a radio.
Don't do that. You're wasting bullets.
8104. Oh, we got it. Never mind.
I might as well leave it like that if we want him to come in.
We don't. We just want him here. And then you come inside and you watch the tablets.
Here! I'm dead.
No!
I thought I had a fast gun.
No! Alright, Mo, we gotta go.
I don't know where to bring
Jessica.
him.
I don't know, we're gonna have to just run and find out.
You don't have enough totems.
How many? I have 8 totem. How many do you have, Mo?
You need 4.
1.
Alright, so let's run the road while we look. You think we can just like leave his body? Mel, you have more stamina. Go,
Hey,
go,
look,
run
survival.
the roads.
Yeah,
No,
but
we're missing totems.
do you have any, babe?
Can we leave his body here?
You can check my backpack, which
No,
was
you
where
don't.
I died.
No.
No.
We can check you right here.
Yeah.
Am I drunk?
Fuck.
Alright, well,
Nothing
we gotta.
lasts forever.
Alright, I guess we'll
I'm
leave him
sorry,
here.
I can't be bad. I mean, yeah, go find totems and come back.
God damn it, babe. Are you fucking serious?
Do you gotta hold it or tap it?
Also, Bigfoot's pretty light.
Yeah, we're
Cheers.
Alright, I'll give it to you when you get up.
You can do the totems.
Alright, you're gonna cover me because I'm gonna take a dab. Oh, that's different. That looks cooler at night. Turn your flashlight off.
I'm alive.
You're
Oh, here. Take. Eat. You. Do you have 556 by any chance, Mel?
Let me check mine.
No.
I'm taking a
Me
dab.
neither.
Please cover me.
I have 12 gauge, 9 mil, and 7.62.
Do we have a shotgun?
No.
No. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Did you heal yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
I
that was a
don't
good
like
one.
the sounds of these trees.
Yeah, okay.
Look at that pretty ass baby face.
Got some bushy ass eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Where my money, fool? Where my money?
been everywhere. I swear.
I feel like I'm adjacent to it.
Ah! Careful, don't fucking fall down.
Sean.
Hey, nice. Thanks.
I was like,
I
wait a
like
minute.
that.
I'm like, I don't even have that.
I like that. I like that a lot.
I like that.
Lol.
Fine dine behind him.
Let's go check out the lake, that little lake thingy right there.
That's what I was talking about, sir. The
I
west.
feel like we were there, though. I
We
think
were,
that was
I
the
think.
last. Yeah, in the last game, right?
No. I think he
No.
was dead.
Oh well, then that's on me.
I'm making a mental note to where
Oh,
those
no, we
distant
weren't here.
stones are.
Fuck it up. 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 I swear to God, if you could throw it at me,
Oh.
then I'll grab it. Fuck it up.
Fuck you.
Yeah, Mel, let me get that shotgun.
No, fuck off.
Come on.
No, fuck off.
Got two snaps. Oh, wait.
No,
Wait,
I gave it
you
to
don't have-
him. There's a health
Layer
kit right
here.
there.
I got 3. I don't know.
Stop moving.
I've got 5 health kits. Babe, you can have it. Why would you do that?
I'm trying to give you my 12 gauge.
Oh, I thought that was Justin.
Oh.
It's not letting me. Are you filled on 12 gauge?
I don't know. I've got 50.
Yeah, you are. Because I have 10 and it won't let me give it to you. You guys completely
Yo.
missed that med kit.
No, I told
It's
you
the
to
plane,
take it.
the plane, the plane.
What's the plane mean?
I don't know. I see it, though.
It
I
means
don't
fuck
see it
you.
up here.
I see it. I just I already know.
I still don't fucking see it. Oh. Oh, there's a water tower up here. I don't know if there's like anything.
I'm following now.
I see you guys.
I don't think we can
How'd you
get up
get up
there.
there?
I didn't.
Oh.
I don't think we can. Hold on.
Oh!
Wait,
I fell.
coming. Oh.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
Are you down?
No. gonna leave the camp
Oh.
down here. Yeah, we're already down here.
Oh.
Yeah, don't do that. I hear a totem.
Yeah, it's because he's holding one.
I probably shouldn't do that.
No.
Because nobody won't
No.
hear him. Left.
Yeah, we're over an hour into this gameplay.
And we've hardly
When-
seen him.
I know, and last time we were at endgame at this point.
What's that? That was shitty.
You
I
guys
think it has
wanna
to be
head
go
back up
right.
towards the swamp?
Yeah, might as well. I mean, we had a good little position there at the old hunting tower anyways. And we have left the camera there.
And I think there's still a few more, like there's one more spot up there, I think, that's like not marked on the map. Like it looks like it, right?
No, it definitely does.
Like there should be another spot in that big green, I don't know.
No, we went in to the swamp.
What the fuck am I talking?
Oh,
Alright,
Little
well hold
camp
on.
over here.
Let's everybody, let's alright, hold on. Let's go to the camp. And we're gonna assess
556.
our inventory real quick. Oh, there's a weapon right here, the R7.
I already have one.
You got one, babe?
I think that's what. Oh no, I have the AVM.
No,
I
you have the
mean-
R7 and the AVM.
No, I gave the R7 to Sean.
No, you have an R7 too. I can see it.
No.
Alright, well let's assess our inventory.
Oh.
No. I
No,
have an.
that's my
We all have
shotgun.
R7s. No, we all
No, I
have
have an
R7s.
AVM and I have a shotgun.
Then pick up
Oh.
the R7, idiot! Fuck! You got 7.62?
Yeah,
How much?
85.
Oh, wow. More than me.
You're
Okay.
sturdy.
Alright, everybody assess their
Yeah.
inventory.
Yeah, how?
I have, no one has a shotgun, but I have 10-12 gauge. I got meat for traps. I have 0 traps. Or no, I have 2 traps.
No, I picked up a
Uh,
shotgun.
I have a camera. I'm gonna give that to Justin real quick.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Jess, I got these. I picked up your the cameras.
So I have 1 first aid, 2 traps. My R7, I have 10 9mm, 67 7.62. I have melee weapons. I have, what's my 9mm at? I have 15 in the clip and 10 back there, or I have 15 in 10 for my 9mm.
I got 15 in the clip for the 9, about 100 for the M4,
Where is he?
and
Not
86
close.
for the R7.
So I think you, what do you got, babe? Because I think Justin's prepared. I am not when it comes to ammo. My ammo's too low.
I have 50 12 gauges, 85 7.62.
Do you have a shotgun?
Yes, I picked one up.
Oh, well here.
You tried to give me the ammo and it didn't work.
Right.
Does anybody have the drone?
The drone, yeah, yes.
Okay, 'cause I got a battery.
Well, yo, fucking, give me the drone. Let me fuck around and see if he's around. Or you do it. See if he's
yeah, I
around.
know.
Because I think you
Oh,
guys
oh.
are pretty equipped to have him come to us. I need ammo, but I think if we went to, I think we're good. I think if we found a spot, we'd be okay. This is not a spot.
No, I want to go find one of the little village places.
I just want Justin to see if he's near to us at all.
I don't think so, because the last couple nights, we haven't heard him yell at all.
I hear wolves.
Do you guys want to go up to the tower up by the swamp, or do you want to go to the swamp house? Because I think we've came to the conclusion that that's kind of a nice spot.
I really like the old hunting tower. That was a good spot, I feel like.
The one by the swamp?
My game's
the
getting
3?
glitchy.
Actually,
here.
Wait, how many totals do you have?
I have
none.
one.
I have one as well.
I have none.
I don't think
We
we
can
missed
walk
many.
do you want to walk the trails for a little bit?
Yeah, why not?
I mean, honestly, I'm down to just walk the trails. We don't need to have a destination. Just walk the trails, see if we get some totems, and then when we have enough totems, we can go to endgame.
I think for the most part, we might have gotten all the totems.
I don't think so. And worst case scenario, I need ammo. If anything, I need 762. Because I only have 67. And that sounds like a lot, but you guys know.
I got 81 for that.
That's a night and a half. Or that's an attack and a half.
Left or right?
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Owie!
I wanted to run on the fence like Naruto.
I love you
Mostly
like a
fences.
love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. Justin, love you like a love song, baby.
Yeah.
Not a trail. That's
Yeah, duh, it looks like a trail.
yeah, but it's not on the map.
I don't know. But I feel like it's worth.
You know, that's totally a trail.
You hear a woodpecker?
And that's the type of shit that him and I were talking about earlier, where this game has so much potential.
It does.
That
glad
trail
was
that was
mentioned before.
unmarked right there could have led to a tent that gave us ammo at the least.
This is fucking rocket launcher. T4.
Endgame.
Doing shit. Don't like that. Are there crocodiles?
Bro, that's the biggest difference between Sons of the Forest and the Forest is crocodiles.
I don't even remember even much about this before.
Wait, who's using 5.56? Because that's got more.
I am. Alright.
Where is it?
Motherfucker!
That.
There wasn't even a tree there! Yeah, there
There you
was.
go.
Yeah, there is.
Stupid.
You're stupid.
Alright,
He won't, dummy.
hold on. So this is a main camp. Do we want to just bring him in here?
I was thinking we go back up to Old Hunter.
Well, because
I wouldn't
look at
bring
this.
him here because we're stuck.
But so is he. So he
But
only
so are
has
we.
one. He only has one. I mean, he can come through the swamp, but he only has like 2 main ways to come through. And I have traps.
I have dynamite and I have a gas bottle.
I don't know. I think Mel's right. I think we need to prepare a little more. And find a
Which
better
way do you,
spot.
which way do you guys want to go?
The way that our arrows are pointing on the mini-map.
I don't even pay attention to anything, I'm
Bro,
not gonna
this
lie.
is gonna be probably one of my longest YouTube videos ever.
How long has it
even
been?
Let's see. I have been recording for 1 hour and 13 minutes. And after clipping a lot of shit, we're probably looking at 35 minutes at the moment.
There's a cleaver here?
And we're not even close to endgame.
Yeah, we've already been here.
I don't feel like we're gonna
I'm just-
find much more. I feel like what we have at this point is like we visited everything, it looks like.
See the map. No. So the Spermy Lake, there's definitely spots around there. Down to the right of the Spermy Lake, there's probably shit around that little circle.
Alright, so let's go down towards that one.
I think there's
Oh, my
plenty
game's
more.
starting to get shitty.
Yeah, mine just up, like, dipped a little bit there. That should already fix itself.
I'm really enjoying Bigfoot right now.
So am I. I've been trying to play this game for 2 weeks now.
I know, and I just didn't want to. Babe, I'm unmedicated.
Seriously, Justin, I've been like, you know what, babe? I really want to play Bigfoot.
Last night, he goes, oh, I'm gonna play solo Bigfoot by myself.
She's like,
How'd that go?
She goes, doesn't that what solo means?
Isn't that what solo means?
I'm gonna
What?
play solo by myself.
Oh,
I love
fair,
you,
yeah.
Solo.
She's like, isn't that what solo
Wait, where the
means?
fuck are you? Oh.
I'm
Alright,
with
which way
you,
we going?
idiot. Whoa! Dude, that almost got me, and it caught you instead. Holy shit.
Wait, oh, that's right. We can talk out loud, can't we?
Justin, you still have the drone far away. Can you control it still?
I'm on there.
Probably.
No.
Yo, Bigfoot, can you hear me, you dumb piece of shit? You fuck? Bigfoot, come suck on my big toe.
I'm good.
I'm trying to figure out. So I got 2 totems.
Oh, yeah. I hate it here. Babe,
What is
why are
signal
you so
please?
far away? Hold on, Jess, because he's being dumb, not moving.
Am I going the wrong way?
I think
Yeah,
my game
we're
just
all the way up
crashed.
here.
You gotta be
Huh.
fucking kidding me.
Well, no,
I
we can save it. Because we're still in. I just don't know if you'll have your